Hi, I'm Nathan from Eden Water Garden. Today we are going to Houston, Texas to build koi pond for my client.
We don't have much space for the berm, so we have to build the retaining wall for the 8-feet stream waterfall. The first waterfalls will be right here, and the second one, and then the last one will go to the pond. At first, my client wanted to build a traditional koi pond. Then, when we talked, and I showed her videos and photos of the ecosystem ponds that we built, she fell in love and decided to have me build her pond. She didn't even mind waiting 2 months for her pond construction to start. This pond comes with illumination pocket, construction fish cage, plants around the waterfalls, and the pond will make it look so beautiful during daytime and also at night.
The pond is finished. Let me show you the result.